4, Jackson. Get up, bud. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today, Jack is here, and we're gonna do some fun things.
I'm here.
Porn's here. Of course he is. 40 always here, right? Because you live here. And, you know, Belle's going crazy right now because Jack's here, you know.
Exactly.
Hey.
We here right now.
Yo, the fur.
What happened to this?
For himself. He's just tired. He's just being a little... Alright, guys, so we're gonna take the golf cart. We're gonna do some crazy stuff. Connor's driving. Just kidding. Why would Connor drive?
Yo, should we get the drone out?
And
yes, get the drone.
Dude, get the drone.
Oh,
the
charge
drone's
it.
dead. Alright, guys, we're gonna do some crazy stuff. Maybe golf course. First air horn.
If we go through with the air
Shout out to
horn,
the Juke Squad that thought of this and has been doing it.
they'll fucking call the cops on us.
So we're gonna give it a go. So shout out to the Juke Squad for
So I think we're going to
making
golf
these
course
adventures
and
happen.
we're gonna use air.
Alright, guys, what's up? So we are heading right now. We are at CVS and we are. Hey, look, there's Garrett. There's Garrett, blue Jeep. Hey, Harrison's gonna hit up with us. He's actually right over there.
They call him Bobo Banks.
Bubba Banks. Alright, guys, so they do not have air horns here, so that sucks. That's killing like a whole plan. Maybe we're gonna go somewhere else to get some air horns, but I'm definitely gonna get some candy because I'm starving. And look at all these candy. Might get some Sour Patch. Ford's going with the dots because you know that's how Ford rolls. Dots, baby. Oh, damn, those are strong words. Life lessons right there, guys.
Public Story has one, but I don't.
Yeah.
That was so
I like the
weird.
one. Skin. You gotta give me skin for that one. Skin. Yeet.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
Going again.
Oh, he's going again. 2 for 2. Oh, God. We're breaking things in CVS, guys. What are you guys doing over here? Inappropriate.
Hey, get off.
Yeah! You missed, bro. You missed, bro.
This has me in the ball.
Yo, guys. So I got my Sour Patch. Yo, we out here. Jack Fur.
Got the Jolly Ranchers.
Joey's driving. Alright, guys, so the golf course is over there, and we are here in this like the little woods. We're gonna hide the golf cart, and we're gonna do a little golf course with air horn. But first, we are gonna fish a little bit and just fish and enjoy the day with my man Bubba Banks. Yeah. Guys, we're walking through the woods right now. Right here, the golf course is right there. We're about to do some golf course air horn pranking. There is the golf course. So it's about to go down. Dude, I hold it. I got this camera and I hold it.
Let's turn around. I want to see that bird.
Guys, holy shit. Dude. We gotta zoom out. Zoom out. Holy shit. Yo, and look, there's a gator. There's a gator. I think they're gonna do it again. Got the gator. The other guys, there's a gator. Don't listen to these things. It's gonna kill you. Dude, that lady was going crazy, bro. She was going crazy. They're over there, so we have no clue what they're doing. Alright, let's go. You wanna go over? Let's just go check on them. They would have gave us a signal, so I think we should set up the camera again. I say we go over there. I say we go over there, check in on him. You go over there. We can stay here with the camera. All right. We can hear them from right there. We don't have to go around.